Hey guys, how we doing? James Paradise. Happy New Year. It is January 1st, 2020. We are right here in the Caribbean, on the Caribbean Ocean in Mexico. And we're having a great time. We are celebrating the new year in Mexico. And I wrote a new book. It took me about 6 weeks, 6 weeks. And I wrote a brand new book about my life journey called My Paradise Lifestyle. And I just want to show you something here. Look, we're at one of the #1 vacation spots in the world called Mexico. And it's 2020. There it is right there. 2020, baby. Wednesday, January 1st, 2020. And we are celebrating a brand new year. I want you to read my book. Go to the description below and click on the link. And I want you to get my book. I got 2 books. Now listen, I have an ebook, which is a short, it's a little ebook. It's short. It's 20 pages. You can read it in like 10 minutes. But what I do in that ebook is I teach you how I live my paradise lifestyle. I make 3 different incomes every day. Every day, cash, every day, online. And then I also make a lot of money. We're investing in real estate. So here's the ocean right here. Check this out. Beautiful. We're in Mexico, right in the Caribbean. Check out this light tower. Our lighthouse. I don't know if you can see it there. Fucking beautiful. All right. So what I want you to do is I want you to click on the link in the description below. Go check out my book. It's an ebook. The second book is a real book. It's over 200 pages. You have to pay for that. It's like $20. It's on Amazon. And it's like one of the top sellers on Amazon right now. That's called My Paradise Lifestyle. And I teach people in this book how to live a life of paradise. Doing whatever you want to do every day, whenever you want to do it. I'll say that again. My Paradise Lifestyle is about doing whatever I want to do every day, whenever I want to do it. I do whatever I want. And I travel all over the world. Right now I'm in Mexico. I've been to 23 countries and I'm still counting. My goal is to travel to 65 countries, English-speaking countries, in the next 2 years. I've been traveling since March of 2017. So check out the book if you want to learn how to live a paradise lifestyle and do lots of things. So listen, you can't count on your job, right? I mean, come on, it's a new year. If you're not making at least $1,000 a day, read the book. Get the ebook, number 1, and then number 2, get my real book. The real book, you're gonna have to pay for it. Okay, it's on Amazon. I got a publisher out of New York. We're gonna sell millions of copies. It will be a #1 seller, and then it's also gonna be made into a Hollywood movie, guaranteed. I already have people sending me messages from Hollywood, in New York and Las Vegas thing. They want the rights to make the movie. It's an incredible life journey I have lived. Made millions of dollars, sometimes literally over $100,000 in one weekend. $110,000 in one weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you want to learn how to do that, get my ebook. Go to the description below and click on the link. I'll see you soon from Mexico. Happy New Year.